how to install your Metapixel on your website using Pixel Your Site. Let me show you. So, open Pixel Your Site, copy your Metapixel, add it right here in this field, yeah, scroll and save. That's it. The Metapixel will simply work like magic on your website. And that's not all. You can also configure Meta Conversion API events easily. Get your Meta Conversion API token, add it right here, scroll again, save, and you're done. Now, I want you to like this video and I want you to subscribe to this channel. Why? Because we also have serious and useful content, not only stupid jokes like this one. Thank you. Well, this was a joke, right? There is no Metapixel. It's still called the Facebook Pixel and Facebook Conversion API. Okay?